No matter how clean our houses are, they always contain dust. House dust is a mixture of bacteria, hair, soil particles and whatnot. House dust has so much more than just dust that it can reveal our lifestyle. What kind of products are often used and all kinds of other information are contained in house dirt. The relationship between dust and human health is uncertain. Dust increases the exposure to certain pollutants, especially for young ones who are more sensitive health-wise. Dust is no longer something to sweep under the rug. It is a big concern for human health. The first time dust struck as a concern was in the 1940s. In the 1970s, researchers started experimenting on house dust. In recent studies, researchers have found compounds that are used in electrical cables and wood floors in the house dust. Researchers are figuring out the ways that volatile and semi-volatile compounds interact. For example, a flame retardant might volatilize off the plastic parts of a TV set, which converts into house dust. High molecular weight compounds don't volatilize but instead enter dust when people physically knock minute bits of plastic off couches or computer cases. Humans complicate things even more. They add to the dust's organic load as their warm bodies volatilize from personal care products. Scientists are now working on ways to test the dust for individual products and mark the level of toxicity and health danger each individual possesses. A compound known as DEHP topped the list. It is generally found in cosmetics. DEHP can disrupt sperm motility in men. Most toxic compounds in 80 to 90% of dust samples come from vinyl products and cosmetics. Many of the contaminants identified in dust are associated with hormone disruption, cancer, weight gain and reproductive damage. Research has revealed that the homes of children diagnosed with acute lymphoblastic leukemia have higher levels of PAHs, PBDEs, and PCBs in dust. But this disease might be a result of something other than the dust. Until now, the studies are only conducted on the known compounds that are present in dust. There are many unknown compounds as well which are a threat to human health. There is a new strategy called non-targeted analysis. It uncovers the complete swath of compounds we encounter in daily life. The strategy combines high-resolution mass spectrometry with data processing tools to identify the chemicals. Testing dust with this approach, researchers found some compounds that are organic contaminants. The analysis also uncovered dog and cat flea treatments, fungicides, components of foods including pepper, and even cocaine. Non-targeted analysis has recently identified azo dyes as the largest class of brominated compounds in house dust. Groups of chlorinated paraffins in unknown mixtures have also been identified with this new strategy. Chlorinated paraffins have the most concentration of about 700 micrograms per gram dust, which is more than 200 times the level of halogenated flame retardants. The finding is alarming. Chlorinated paraffins have been known as contaminants for several decades, but lack of analytical methods has hindered determining them in environmental samples such as dust. These new findings are just the start of the research. Countries from all over the world are now using non-targeted methods on dust samples to build an open-access library of mass spectra for the thousands of compounds they hope to identify. From this research, concerned chemicals can be banned. For example, PBDE declines in blood and breast milk after PBDE flame retardants began to get banned 10 years ago. According to recent experimentation, frequent hand washing, using a vacuum with a high-efficiency particulate air filter and dusting with a damp cloth will reduce personal exposure to chemicals lurking in dust. Wood floors are preferable to carpets, since carpet and pads can trap dust inside them. A new California law requires labels on upholstered furniture of added flame retardants. It should be worked with manufacturers to remove these compounds from their products. Safety testing needs to be done before, and not after, compounds are added to products, before they turn into dust. Hope you got some value. If so, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. See you in the next video.